Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 second version, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm gonna use settings. And from there what you want to do is hold power key and volume down. You'll get this animation and you can see that it has been saved. And from here you can tap on it to view it, like so. And also the image itself can be found in your photo gallery. So if we open this up, you will see it right here, screenshot, and that's the image. So that is how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.